This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Towne. Popular Cayman model offers a beautiful open floor plan, all situated on one level. This beautiful home features 2 split bedrooms with access to a full bathroom. Spacious family room that overlooks the kitchen and dining area, which is perfect for all of your entertaining needs. Additional features include energy-efficient GE stainless appliances, granite countertops and kitchen island, backsplash, designer lighting and ceiling fans, large patio. Spacious primary bedroom offers a large walk-in closet and full bathroom with tile floors and tile surround tub and shower. Situated on a private cul-de-sac in the desirable Arbordale community. Conveniently located across from Sentara Medical Complex, YMCA, next to shopping and restaurants and quick access to Route 199 and I-64. For more information, review the details below or contact Towne at 757-746-0089.